Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a simple platform game. So in this tutorial we're going to use the Scratch Cat. We're going to make a sprite called Hitbox, make it the size as the Scratch Cat, you can see, same size. And the map, there are 3 levels, 3 simple levels. Now let's make it. So in the Hitbox, put in one green file click. And I almost forgot to tell you that we have 4 variables for this tutorial. We have level for all sprites, slope for the sprite only, for the hitbox, XV for the sprite only, YV for the sprite only. Now, in broadcast, level A, level 1, set XV to 0, set YV to 0, set slope to 5, forever, make a block called platform engine, find that screen press, edit, from engine, find platform engine, if key, right arrow press, no change, XP by 1, duplicate that, if left arrow press, change XP by -1, set XV to XV times 0.8, block, X, collision, without screen refresh, collision there, define X collision, change X by XV, repeat until all not repeat until slope more than 8 and not or not touching green color, change slope by 1, I'm going to change Y by 1, if it's color green, we'll change Y by YV times -1, we'll set slope 0, this is slope, change X by XP times -1, we'll set XP to 0, and here we'll put in change YV by -1, make a block called Y collision, on the screen first, add an input, call it hand jump, okay, Y collision there, put in a more than, Y collision is YV more than 0, and Y collision, we'll change Y by YV, if it's color green, we'll set YV to 0, repeat until not touching color green, put in an if else, if can't jump, we'll change Y by -1, else we'll change Y by 1, and if key are pressed, we'll set YV to 13, and we'll put in here an if go. Now go to Scratchcat, and the hitbox. Make it another block called animation. On the screen first. Animation here. Define animation. Your broadcast animation. Scratchcat. One thing I clicked. Okay, when I receive animation, we will go to hitbox and give that click. And here we will set rotation style to left right and point direction 90. Forever if key right arrow pressed, then we will switch costume. Costume number +1, point in direction 90, duplicate that, make it 90, okay, switch costume to costume number, take away 1, lucky, now, then and if else, it's lucky, if else, key right arrow pressed, key arrow pressed, here we'll put in left arrow, and else, else, wait, here we'll switch costume to costume 1, here we'll wait 0.05 seconds, let's test it, oh and don't get in the hitbox, you'll set post effect 100, okay, it's working, now go to blocks, checking, one more screen first, so we'll put in checking here, define checking, so in if less than, if Y position is, so if Y position is less than -180, and we'll broadcast level 1, and equals level equals 1, to get up, and if message level 2, level 2, to get up again, level 3, 2, now, get this, if touching color blue, broadcast level 2, do the same thing, broadcast level 3, if 3, it'll just stop all. Now, duplicate both these. We will duplicate this. So we'll switch custom tree. If touchy color red, okay, we're past level 3. There you go. Now we'll put in the when I receive level 1. So in level 1, the hitbox is going to go up here, go here, go there. Duplicate that for map level 2. Hitbox going here, go to there, level 2, duplicate that, level 3, and in the map level 3, hitbox when you go from here, there. Now, in the map, when I receive level 1, I'll switch costume 1, and I'll see level 2, we'll switch costume to costume 2, and I'll see level 3, from here, set, level 1, set, 2, set, level 3, and we'll show the level. So that's it, guys. This is the game we were talking about. Let's try it. Nice. This is just nice. Okay. Scratch cat, jumping. Oh, and if we fall, go directly back. And we'll try and beat the game. Yes. And there you go. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.